Okay guys, welcome back guys. This is your girl, aka Trena. I just want to say thank you guys for vibing with me. What I'm going to show you guys to do today, I'm going to show you guys how to make some Jamaican steamed fish. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do guys today is show you guys how to make some Jamaican steamed fish. Okay, I appreciate you guys vibing and watching my channel. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for vibing with me. I want you guys to continue to subscribe, share, and like my video. Hit that button down there, comment, and hit that bell to stay tuned for when I post new videos. You guys will get that little bang on your phone. So I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys all the ingredients that you need to make a steamed fish. Okay, the steamed fish and okra. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it today. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that you know. This is all the ingredients that you need to make your steamed fish. Now you got some black pepper, some pink salt, you got your okra, you got your, this is not pumpkin. I couldn't find any pumpkin, so we have to settle with squash. Okay, so this is squash. You can use squash or pumpkin. Okay, I got my red bell pepper, my lime, my onion, my green bell pepper. I'm gonna get my scallion, and yes, the most thing, scotch bonnet pepper. We got some tomato and some Irish. All right, we got some Permento seed, butter, and some garlic powder, and your all-purpose seasoning. We have some garlic herb, black pepper, salt as well. And we got we couldn't find a fish tea. We couldn't find a fish tea, so I'm buy a cock one. So what we do with this, we couldn't find a fish tea. We pour it in a this right here. I poured it in here and I strained it. So you see the season only because I don't want too much of the extra stuff in there, which is these right here, okay? So I strain it to get the season out of it. So that's what I'm gonna use. All right, so we got all the season that you need for your fish. And the most important thing is Jamaican crackers that you need for your fish. If you got your thyme and you got your garlic as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna show you my fish. Yes. All right, so that's the fish. I pour some stuff in there. Okay, so I have some lemon and vinegar in it. So that's why you see the eye kind of clouded because of the vinegar that's in the water. Okay, so that's the reason why it was very clear. So if you're buying a fish and you see it's clouded, that means the fish is not good as well. So it's good. But I bought the fish and it have a clear eye, but I put some vinegar in the water, so it changes that. All right, so I got it soaked in some vinegar and some lemon and lime as well. All right, I'm gonna finish cleaning up for you guys. Okay guys, I already did the other side. I'm gonna show you guys what I put on the other side. So you're gonna need, I have some garlic herb, okay? Just a little teaspoon, both sides. All right, and your garlic powder, teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay. Your all-purpose. Teaspoon of all-purpose. Okay. And then yeah. Salt. Just a little bit of salt. Just a sprinkle of salt. Just a sprinkle of salt. Okay. Just a sprinkle of salt. Okay. Then you have a black pepper. Just a teaspoon of black pepper. Rub it up in there. Get it all. You want to get in between the slices. Okay. You want to get it all in between the slices. Okay. Open that. You want to get it in between. Open that. You want to get some seasoning up in there. Yeah, all of those seasoning things. Right, so we have 2 cups of water here. Okay. So we have 2 cups of water. Move these over here. Okay. So we're gonna have that over here, and then the Maggie, the tea, the fish tea. I couldn't find it by the cock one. I couldn't find no tea. Fish tea season. So I use a season from here. So I strain it up because all I wanted is just the seasoning out of it. And I pour it in here. Okay. Stir it. So now we're going to take drop some Permento seed in it. Just a couple. Permento seed. Just a tablespoon of butter. Then we're gonna get the squash. It's supposed to be pumpkin, but I couldn't find a pumpkin, so I have to settle with squash. Okay, so it should be one cup of squash. Okay, it's supposed to be. I wanted to use pumpkin, but I couldn't find no pumpkin. All right, so I'm gonna use squash. So it's gonna be easy to cook. Okay, well, easy to cook. All right, it's easy to cook. And I'm gonna put the carrot. So I'm gonna use just the carrot in here. Okay, so we're gonna put the carrot in there as well. Then I'm gonna put the Irish. Yeah. Very nice. So I'm making for me and my squash, okay, and half a cup of carrot, okay. So we'll leave that in there, and I'm gonna cover that to let it cook. Yeah, so we're gonna leave that. I'm gonna come back to check on it within 10 to 15 minutes. So I don't know what happened. My camera messed up when I was putting in the rest of the seasoning. So I had the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, the okra, the thyme, the onion, and the scallion, and the scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna put everything in there. After I open it and it cooked. I don't know what happened. And put the crackers. You have to have that cracker. Yeah, I've got crackers. Yes. So, sit right there. Gonna do a sprinkled some black pepper over it. All right. Just a little bit of pink salt. I'm gonna put just a little bit of teaspoon of butter. Okay, I'm gonna cover this up and let it cook for about 15 minutes with the fish. Okay guys, so this is it. So it was 15 minutes later. Yes, looking good. Yes. Yes. You see those eyes? Purple, white, you know it's done. That fish is done. Okay guys, so this is the finishing touch. Your steamed fish. Yes. Yes. This is it, guys. See the heat coming off of it. So this is a finishing touch, guys. Your steamed fish, your okra steamed fish with some crackers, Irish. Whenever I have the pumpkin, so I use the squash. You have your bell pepper, green and red. You have your onion, your scallion, your thyme. Yeah, the green turn up. Yeah. Yes, this is it. Okay, so taste this. Get a nice fish off the bone. Yes. This is good. Yeah. I had to sit down for this, y'all. I got to sit down. Thank you guys for vibing with your girl, Trena. Okay, guys. I hope you guys like this video as much as I do. And I hope I help you guys out how to do some Jamaican okra steamed fish. Anyway, I just want to take the time out to say thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for always hit that subscribe button and that like button whenever I upload a new video. So what I want you to do right now is go ahead. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, okay? Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, just hit it. While you at it, hit that bell as well. So whenever I upload any video, you will know instantly. Okay, and I appreciate you guys so much, and I hope you guys really, really enjoy my video. Well, I gotta dig in. That lemon juice that I sprinkled over it, yes, it is delicious. The Irish. This is good. You have that okra. Yes, this is good. The squash, because I didn't have the pumpkin. This is a pepper. It's hot. Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, you want to taste that pepper in it, okay? Well, I wish you guys was here to taste this. It is very delicious. This is a healthy meat. This is a healthy meal to eat, okay? Very healthy, right? Let's share this out. If you could share it, because one can't eat it. It's too much food for me, you want to eat. But everything in here is very, very, very healthy. Okay, very healthy. I didn't use any grease. I used a little bit of butter. Okay? And everything here is very healthy for your body. Okay? Good, nice steamed fish and okra. Yeah. Be sure it's on a year about it because Spice in me song say okra and steamed fish body. A good body. Listen, y'all. I appreciate you guys following me. I really do. Thank you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay? And I'll see you guys another time in another video. I'll catch you guys another time in another video. Love y'all. Peace.